Hey everybody, we're back at Canada's Wonderland. We were here for the first time last year, and the kids here had a great time. You excited to have another fun time today, Declan?
Yeah.
What do you want to do today?
I want to play with you.
Same thing as last year. We're gonna play. Have a great day. We're gonna check out some new rides.
Yeah, I'm going this way.
The waterfall.
But we're Snoopy.
We're gonna try and find Snoopy. Declan's feeling brave enough to high-five Snoopy this year, so keep our eye out for the Peanut Gang. It is a Wednesday morning, mid-June here. Crowd levels are nice and low, which was the idea. I said it was supposed to rain this afternoon, so I'm hoping that's scaring some people off too. And it's looking like a beautiful morning. Make our way into Planet Snoopy. Maybe see some of the Peanut Gang. High five? You wanna give a high five too? Yeah, good job, buddy. Say thank you. Have a good day. And you were so brave. Good job.
I was brave.
Yeah.
I was brave.
You're brave? So this is the new coaster here, a Snoopy roller coaster. Snoopy's Racing Railway. Looks like it's a fun little launch coaster. This might be the most intense coaster these kids have been on. It's good. You're okay. Whoa! We're going so fast! Here we go again! We're having so much fun! Look at Mommy's got her hands up in the air. Put your hands up like frick. Did you like it?
That was way too fast.
Declan loved it. He was a little unsure at first, but he had a good time.
Laura could not wait to get off.
Oh, well maybe me and Declan can go again later. Declan, you want to do that ride again later?
Yeah.
After meeting Sally, the kids want to go on Sally's Love Buggies. We're pumping up high in the sky. Whoa, pump, we're gonna pump, we're falling down. Pump them high, use your muscles, muscles. Pump, pump. All done. Kids want to do Woodstock's whirly birds, whirly swirly birds.
What was that? What is that?
Going on the pumpkin patch next. Nicole is not a fan of the spinning ride, so I volunteer as tribute. Yeah. Look at all the big roller coasters over there.
How was that, buddy?
Good.
What do you think, Nora?
Gearing up for the Peanuts 500 in the #1 Snoopy car. He's a little thrill seeker. Next on the kids selection list is Snoopy's Revolution. Kids' first ever experience with the bumper cars. Hopefully they can take out some of their energy and rage that they have at home. Turn! Nora got her, but turn your wheel, Declan, turn your wheel. Turn your wheel more. Oh. Nora hits the inanimate vehicle. It's just as I expected. Good job. Good. I guess anytime a kid gets to drive a car, they're happy, so. We're gonna head back to the new coaster again, see if Nora enjoys it a little bit more now. She knows what to expect. Hands up. Let's put our hands up. Hands up. How was that?
I didn't even do steps. I just went, go here.
And you want to do it again on your own choice?
Yeah.
Did you have fun? Have a little pit stop lunch break. Pizza, chicken nugs, french fries. Kids are starting to get tired already. It's starting to rain. Just a light sprinkle blowouts. Nora's requested to go on Lucy's tugboat. Tug-a-lug, tug-a-lug.
What do you think of the boat run?
Good.
How did they like it?
Take a spin on the carousel.
Position with one leg on each side of the horse and hold on until the right comes to a complete stop. Girls get steady, please hold on. If you're happy and you know it, say yeehaw. If you're happy and you know it, say yeehaw.
Some ominous clouds looming over the bat there and the rest of the park. Raining outside now. Trying to stay dry and get on any of the rides that are open. Have fun? Going for a blast off, these kids. Kids want to take a ride on the frequent flyers. Join some slushies. Sun's coming back out. We're gonna go on a little helicopter ride, Declan.
That's me.
Oh yeah?
The bumpy roll.
The bumpy roller coaster.
I'm gonna go on those.
Okay, we'll go on those next. Kids want to ride some Jalopies. Watch out for the squirrel. Alright. Watch out, we gotta go over the bridge. Hold on. A bird! Oh, almost hit the bird. Jockey's Jalopies is always a big hit. Now it's swing time. By popular demand, Nora wants to go back on Snoopy's Racing Railway for what? It's the 4th time today? Is that fun? Kids want to do it again. The 5th time today. Definitely the favorite coaster of the day. Nicole, how are you feeling going on this again?
I was gonna ask, what are you doing to our children?
They're both little thrill lovers, thrill seekers.
You're gonna be the one doing all the rides.
That sounds good to me. Take a ride on the Kidsville station. Choo choo. Now, what's your favorite ride today?
Train and car.
The train, the Snoopy train, and then the cars you get to drive.
And this little one.
This little train's pretty fun. Nora wants to go on the Flying Eagles. You're spinning us with that. When you twist that, it spins us. Whoa, you're spinning us crazy. Whoa! Look out, we're gonna hit this side. This ride, you want to go on this one? The Flying Eagles?
Yeah.
It's a fun one. Have fun. I think this will be the kids' final ride of the day, the Sugar Shack syrup cups. They're loving it. We're heading out of the park now. We had a fun day. Did you have a fun time?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did a lot of rides. We did the Snoopy Railway 5 times. So we had a good time. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for liking and thanks for subscribing. Thanks for joining us on our great day. Bye. Bye.
Bye.